Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, battery saver, braking assist, adaptive cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation, multifunction display. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.